Hello, Tinker Coders. My name is Ishaan. I live in California. Mr. Polly, my teacher, inspired me to make this game called Spongebob Christmas. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do. But the thing is, this is Patrick, this is SpongeBob, and this is Squidward. Squidward is someone who's helping you. So, when you press the green flag, is it what could you kids be doing today? Hey SpongeBob, can you find my gift? I lost it. I'll find it, Patrick. Okay, I'll find it first then. So then the gift is teleporting everywhere because that was a trap that makes it harder for you. And when you find the gift, it says, oh, Patrick had it the whole time, yay. But let's say he found it like before you, then it'll stop all and then he would win. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do. Bye!